Good day, everyone, and also good day to you, Ma'am Nobalianos. I'm Ili Ayansi Paul Mitan, and this is my daily lesson plan. Topic K-12 curriculum and its application to basic electrical installation. Grade level, grade 10, electrical specialization. Good morning, class. How are you today? Before we start our lesson, let us begin with a short prayer. May I ask one volunteer to lead the prayer? Thank you. You may all take your seat. Class, let me ask you a question. Why do you think our education system changed into K to 12? Yes, Maria, what do you think? Good answer. How about you, John? Nice point, John. And you, Carlo? Very good. All your answers are correct. The K to 12 program was made to prepare us for work, college, or business. For an electrical specialization, the main learning real hands-on uh, skills, electrical installation, and maintenance that will help us in our future. Our topic today is K to 12 and its application to basic electrical installation. Okay. So, um, the K to 12 program stands for kindergarten to grade 12. It was made through Republic Act 1053 to improve education in the Philippines. Its main goals are to develop well-rounded learners, to prepare students for work or higher education, to make Filipino graduates globally competitive. In the K to 12 program, we have technical vocational track where our electrical specialization belongs. This track focuses on hands-on training. For example, in your subject on basic installation, you learn how to install lights, switches, and outlet safely and correct. This program helps you prepare for the TESDA NC2 certification, which is your key to working as an electrician here on abroad. Now, class, let's have a short demonstration on basic electrical installation. Okay, for materials, here's the setup of materials, which is switch, bulb, socket, wire, tester. Okay, always remember safety first. Let's turn off the power source before starting. Okay, let's turn off the breaker. Let's install it. Step 1. Strip the insulation of both wires and using a wire stripper. Second, connect the live wire to the switch terminal. Step 3. Connect the neutral wire to the bulb holder. Step 4. Connect the other end of the live wire from the switch to the bulb holder. Step 5. Secure all connection properly. Last, test the circuit. Now, let's turn on the power bulb. Let's lights up. See? Bulb lights up. That means our circuit works. This simple setup show how your lesson in electrical installation connect to the K-12 goals. Learning by doing, you don't just study theory. You apply it through real work. Now, let's have one volunteer to repeat the step I just showed. Very good. Always remember to check your connection, secure the wires, and practice safety all the times. Through activity like this, you are gaining skill that prepare you for actual jobs and your NC2 certification. Class, what did you learn from our activity today? Okay, let's hear from you, Mark. Good. Mark, how about you, Angela? Nice one, Angela. And you, Carlo? Excellent. The K-12 program helped us connect classroom learning with a real skill. As future electrician, every wiring activity you do trains you for real work. So the goal of K-12 is to help you become skilled, disciplined, and job-ready individuals. For your assignment, research the qualification and competencies needed for TESDA NC2 in electrical installation and maintenance. We will discuss your answer next meeting. Great work today, class. Goodbye, everyone. Stay safe.